Hello, Dave from DNA Reptilia here, coming to you from the kitchen. Today, we're going to expand some Eco Earth brick. We use Eco Earth for our snakes. Some people like it, some people hate it. I actually like it. It does make a little bit of a mess, when you get the snake out, but it's something I can deal with. If some gets on the rodent that I'm feeding the snake, at least I know that the particles of the Eco Earth are small enough to easily get digested and pass through without any issues. I've been getting bricks lately because, well, it's cheaper. This is equal 3 bricks, or I should say not 3 bricks is equal to one 24-quart bag of expanded Eco Earth. It's hard to believe it that this makes that much, but it does. If you follow the instructions, it says that you use a gallon of water to expand this. I actually use only 3/4 of a gallon of water. Okay, what I'm using here is a Sterlite 32 quart. Let's see if we get it right there. It is actually one of the foam top ones to actually lock in moisture, so it's watertight. I would use this to store your Eco Earth. I'm using this because I'm making quite a bit. I'm going to use this, and I have 3 more containers over there. Right there, there's 1, 2, and the third one up on top that I already did yesterday. I'm going to mix all into a tub that's on the floor here. But still, when I store Eco Earth for, because spot cleanings or I need to top off, I put it in here. It's airtight, so the moisture will stay in your Eco when you actually, after you expand it. Take the good old-fashioned steak knife here, make an X on the top. Make sure you wash it afterwards, obviously. Do this over your container because little particles will fall out. Lay them flat down. Lay them this way, not this way. Lay them flat down on the bottom. Next up, gotta get some water. Empty gallon jug. Alright, if you can see decently, I only use 3/4 of a gallon of water-ish in that ballpark. But the secret that I found is if you use hot water straight out of the tap, it will actually swell the bricks up a lot faster because the hot water molecules are able to move throughout the crevices inside and actually get absorbed in the bricks. What I do this slowly. Pour a little bit and I spread it throughout. If you see any water that actually does not get soaked up right away, trust me, it will. Alright, if you pour it too fast, it's no big deal. That's what I'm showing you now. Personally, I like going slow, but some people want to cruise on this. So I'm just showing. If you pour on the fast side and you spill a lot of water that doesn't get soaked up right away, it's going to be no big deal. See all the water along the side over here? It's going to get soaked up very quickly. Actually, it's already soaked up. That's fast. Don't worry about going slow. I personally like going slow. Just showing you that, yeah, you can go faster. A lot faster. And just leave her sit for a little while and you'll be good to go. And just keep going back and forth. As you can see already, if you haven't been noticing, but the bricks already have been swelling. Yeah, it'll take some time for them to swell. Usually give it about a good hour, at least an hour. You don't have to probably go and break it up a little bit. But after 24 hours, it'll look like this. This is no lie. This is 1 brick, 2 brick, 3 brick. It's the exact same amount that I put into this container right here. They were down this thick and they swelled probably about almost 400% in size. See, it breaks apart real easy. Now I'm going to pour this container plus 2 other containers just like this into a larger tub, and we're going to make some more in here. I'm doing a big substrate change, cleaning all the cages and the tubs tonight. So I'm making a pile of it, and I need to make more, so I need to get this out of here. Break it up a little bit. You'll see once I get closer to the middle, it is a little bit drier, but not too bad. It breaks apart real super easy. You're going to want to break it up. Even if you use more water, it doesn't help. It really doesn't help. It probably won't help. I mean it doesn't help. It doesn't get all the way to the center perfectly every time. You are going to have to actually break it up and mix it up. Otherwise you're going to have big chunks that are not dry or that are not moist. If you use more water and you put it into your snake's enclosure, it will be very, very moist, very humid, almost too humid. Right now, the consistency of this is about the same as you would get in a bag of Eco Earth, a pre-made Eco. That's basically 3 bags of Eco Earth made up. The chunks, like I said, I'm not too worried about them. The ones that are, say like this guy, that are dry, they will get broken apart over time as they're in your reptile enclosure. From your reptile going over them one way, shape, or form. They'll gain more humidity from the surrounding Eco Earth. So there's not going to be an issue at all. But you'll actually have that with any kind of dehydrated and packed bedding material that you would use. You always the water never really gets fully to the middle, no matter how much water you add in it. It's just that with the Eco Earth, if you add a full gallon like it says on the bag, it will be soaked. It will literally stick to your hands if you use a whole gallon. So I'll make some more, and then I'll fill up the hides and the cages with the Eco Earth and give you a peek after it's all said and done. Now we're in the living room. We're gonna, well, I got 3 empty cages, can't see 2 of them. The glass is quite open. I actually have, these are the boys' cages. They're actually in the other room right now with a couple of their girlfriends. So I'm taking the opportunity to get the paper towel out of there that I had in there for last month because of medications that we had to do a month ago. More on that later. What we did, and what we got help doing, worked. All I had left was a hide and the water. And some paper towel. Tell you the truth, I don't know how anybody can actually leave their snakes on paper towel, because it looks good when you first do it. One poo later, or one pee later, or whatever, probably within 2 days, it don't look so good anymore. I actually don't like using paper towel at all. I'm going to use a ice scoop. You know what they use in restaurants to scoop ice? That's what I'm going to use to scoop the Eco out of the bucket that we just made. By the way, these are Animal Plastics T8 cages with the glass doors. I love glass doors because they don't scratch. Leave a spot for the water dish. Now we'll bring it in for a close-up. 1.5 inch lip here. That high. Put that much Eco Earth in there, all spread out. And now I get to finally put in their the water dish goes over here, hide over in that corner because I have a divider in these 4-foot tanks. See, that happened just last night. She shut out. She blew up. Now I gotta clean that tank. It's a lot easier when there's no paper towel. Anyways, but I have 3 feet of heat tape going from over there across to over on this side. So that's why I put the hides in this corner, and on this side the hide is normally over there, but without the Eco Earth they like to be moving their hides around. Alright, I know I need to get more clutter in there because of the medicating we had to do. I got rid of most of it, but there's the Eco Earth. Yeah, boys aren't in these two, so I'm not filling the waters yet until tomorrow. But girl's already in her hide. She's exploring. Yeah, that was the top tank that exploded and shed all over. Looks way better. And that one. Now they look a lot better. And the snakes are way happier. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking around for a different video, I guess. Don't really see many videos about Eco Earth. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll do what we can to answer them as best as we can. Alright, thanks for watching.